Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix no sound or low volume on your Black Shark gaming tablet. To fix no sound or low volume, first make sure that you adjust it. I actually recommend first pressing on the buttons, on either of the volume buttons, then click on three dots and make sure that for the section you want to change it for, it's assigned to the level you want. You can see there's media, which is going to be music, videos, stuff like that. Calls, which is once you're calling someone, how loud you hear them. Ring is the ringtone. Notification is the notification sound. I'll actually turn it down. And alarm is the alarm, of course. So that's pretty easy. Once I click on done, it should be working. If it doesn't, then you may want to see if maybe that's an issue of an app that you're using. So see if the problem persists in all apps. If not, if it just happens in one app, then you should go to the Google Play Store. And in the Play Store, click on your account icon in the top right corner, then go to My Apps and Games, Updates Available, and find the app that isn't working properly. Then click on Update right next to the app, and if actually it wasn't the issue of an app, then try going to Settings and try going to System, then System Updates, and see if there's an update available. You can also click on Check for Update, and if there's none, then well, we'll try something else. But if there is an update available, install it and see if it fixes the issue. Now the other thing is to go to Sounds and Vibration, and besides the sounds here, there's not many sounds, but maybe some settings will actually adjust what you need. Like for example, maybe it's the alarm sound. Maybe the alarm doesn't play as loud as you want it. Then in that case you can change the sound of the alarm or a notification. Now the next thing that you can try is to restart your tablet by pressing and holding on the power button, then tapping on restart. And if none of that helped, then try cleaning the speakers. Once you hold your tablet like that, horizontally, on both sides of the tablet you'll find the speakers. You see here, and try using a soft brush to clean the speaker grills. You can also use isopropyl alcohol, but make sure you're using isopropyl alcohol, not just any kind of alcohol. It should be isopropyl because it doesn't cause short circuits, and it doesn't cause corrosion because it's actually made for things like that. And yeah, try using that. I think that should help. If none of that helped, then you may want to get it to after sales service. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.